Okay, welcome again. This tutorial takes you through the various assessment activities. Now, for purposes of just demonstration, I have added my demo student, who's a live student, into a particular course we were demonstrating for students during the online training week, the weeks that we had early in the trimester. So we just created a demo course called Research Methods with a course called Source 202, and that's what you're seeing on the screen right now. So you have the homepage, of course, which you'll get to see the various things for the student to do, activities week 1 all the way to the end of the semester. But very importantly, there is the assignments. It's under assignments that now you'll get to see the various assessment activities. Now notice you have overdue assignments, you'll have upcoming assignments, you'll have undated assignments, and also past assignments. Now remember, this is for demo purposes, so many of these we'll have to delete all of them. But very importantly now, the upcoming assignments. Now we have 3 types of assessments. The first one is where the lecturer will upload a file that contains the questions, and it will be your work to download the work for that particular file, answer the questions, and you'll notice here the lecturer expects you to submit the file. And that is why you'll get to see a submit button on the top right corner. So when you click on submit assignment, you will be brought down to the bottom of the window where you'll be allowed now to upload a file. So you can choose upload a file and pick a particular file, for example, and be able to upload it over here. So from here, you can now click on submit assignment, and yes, that work will be submitted to the lecturer. So I'll just click on that for submission. So that is one type of assessment. The second type, notice you have a button. Now the submit button changes to resubmit, and this appears up until the due date. It's very important that you see that this assignment is available from the 5th of May all the way to May 28th, 11:59 p.m., meaning that once this date, when we reach May 28th by midnight, the system will lock. You will not be able to submit. Will not be able to submit the assignment. So it is very important for you to plan for your assignments according to the due dates. Now, since the due date is May 28th, that is why you still have a resubmit button. You'll get to see what you have submitted, and you'll have to wait now for the lecturer to assess it and give you a grade on it. Going back to assignments, the other type of assessment activity that you have is a graded discussion. And a graded discussion is where you are, as a student, expected to post something based on a discussion topic that your lecturer has posted out. So for example, give your input on reliability test, and you will be expected to type something. So I will click here and type in, I think this is important before going out to collect data. And once I'm done with that, I can click on post reply. You'll also notice that the lecturer will have a due date for the same. You'll have May 31st as a due date, and you'll also have it as the number of points provided. So that is also another type of assessment activity. The third type of assessment activity that we have is the quizzes. The quizzes are where they might be timed, or you might be given some time to be able to do it, but you'll get to see, like for example, you'll have it as a quiz over here. Again, notice very importantly the days when it's available, and very importantly the due date, because the due date is what is will guide when you are supposed to. So in the next tutorial, we'll look at the quizzes and the types of questions within a quiz. Thank you.